Alright, here's my attempt at a downdraft gasifier called G31. Discovered it on YouTube. Luke is the designer. That's a 4-inch diameter tube, 24 inches long. There's a stainless steel cone inside, and that cone is about 6.5 inches tall. And we got some fire going on down inside there. There's some 1/8-inch holes, 12 of them, equally spaced around that. Feeding at the bottom with a 3/4-inch pipe fitting. I found a piece of old flex gas line, and I've got that running up to my fan. This fan is, sorry about that, 115 volts, 3,000 RPM, or is it 2,800 RPM? I'm not sure what it's running at. Putting out some gas right now. As you can see from the torch, right there is just blue flame. Move it over there and we got that yellow flame. So the gas is burning. Blue flame, yellow flame. I'm burning some gas. I can't get it to light yet. And I'm hoping to keep working. I think I need it hotter. A hotter fire inside. Oops. Let's see. Shows on 215 there. This is where the gas is coming out. $270, 280. Let's see what it is down inside there. 722 degrees. I'm not sure how accurate this little guy is. Syntec from Harbor Freight. It's probably not that accurate. But hopefully today I'll get this syngas to just catch on fire and burn.